So welcome back in the new video. In this video I'm going to show you the handlers, the use case of handlers and what is handlers. So handlers is basically a task that do the notification. So it is a task and it will respond as per the notification. So what is that? So I will show you with the help of an example. So currently I'm at playbook home DevOps. So let me switch to playbook where I have lots of playbook. So I will create one playbook called handler.yml, but I will deploy HTTP server, but I will use the handler in the playbook. So I will name the playbook, I will name the comment as and host I will do on web servers task. So obviously I will use Ansible documentation to use the Yum repository, because first I need to install the HTTPD package. So let's paste it here, correct the indentation. Now we need to, I think yeah, so done. Now I need to start the service. So in this case I'm not going to start the service for now, but I will allow the port first. So for that I need to use firewall d module, paste it here, correct the indentation. Port should not be HTTP, actually it should be HTTPS, it should be HTTP. So I have allowed the port. Now while installing the package, I want to make sure that if the package is installed of this latest version, then it should notify another task or another module or another handler that should start the service. So I need to put the key here, notify, and it should be the same line as that of name and module, and then hit enter space and then notifier name. So I will name it start SVC. Right now my next task would be to copy the index.html file. So I will use copy. So instead of using a local index.html file, I'm going to use content here. So let's copy this module and paste it here, correct the indentation. The destination should be index.html, but I will put here inside the web server the content I want to put is this is for handlers use case. Right now, just on the same line of the task name, task and host, I need to define here handlers, and then so name of the handler should be same as that of that we have used to notify. So just copy, put the same name, start SPC, and to start the service we use module called service, and then name of the service that I want to start, that is HTTPD, state is started, enabled is yes. So this is the complete playbook. Now let me show you the flow of this playbook. So this is the name of the this is the comment of the playbook. Host, I want to do the task on web servers, then it will install the Yum package, HTTPD package using Yum, but if the state is changed. Suppose if the HTTP package is not available on this web servers host, but in that case the notify will be triggered, and that will trigger these handlers, and the service will be started. That is, if it is installed, I mean it was not previously installed, and if after execution of this module, if the HTTP is installed, it will trigger the handlers and the service will be started, right? But if the HTTPD package is already installed on the managed host, in that case the handlers will not be triggered. And rest of the part, like allowing the port and copying the file to the index.html, that is usual, that we have already used on the previous playbooks. So this is similar to the goto statement in C programming, but not exactly like that. So the control, once it get this notify, when the control come to this notify, it will not switch the control to the handler. Instead it will execute serially, but later it will execute this handlers part. But in goto statement, once the control go to the goto, then it is automatically jump to that goto task. So that is not exactly like goto. The control does not switch from here to here, but the controller notify that we have to execute here handler. So let's run this playbook and check the execution. Check the syntax first. Syntax seems fine. It will now install the packages. Now allowing the port. So see here, the service is not started now. Allowing the port, copying the file to the index.html content, and then last it is running the handlers part. So the control does not switch from this installation module to the handler, but it has been executed serially. Now since on the first execution the package HTTPD package is already installed, if I run it again, the handler part will not be triggered because the module HTTP package is already installed. So let's verify that. So run it again. Yeah, so if you see here, after copying the content, it has not executed the handler part because on the previous execution of the playbook, the HTTPD package was already installed there. So let's verify with the call. Yeah, so we are getting the response. This is the web server for handler use case. Similarly 104 also we are getting that the web server is running. So this is the use case of handlers, where we can notify the control of the execution of the playbook that we need to perform certain task.